Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to download your TikTok message history, you can do it directly from your account settings. Open TikTok and tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. From here, tap on Download your data. Now select the data type related to messages or chat history based on what you need. Tap on Request Data. TikTok will start preparing your data in the background. Once the file is ready, go back to the Download Data section and download it from there. Inside this file, you will find your TikTok message history saved officially by TikTok. This method is useful if chats are missing, deleted, or you need old conversations for records or proof. TikTok does not allow exporting messages directly from the inbox, which is why many users think messages are lost. Downloading your data is the only safe and official way to access them. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more TikTok fixes and recovery tips.